Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play WWE 2K23 on your Xbox console. First, ensure your Xbox is properly connected to power and your television. Then, insert the game disc or download the digital version from the store. Once installed, launch the game and select or create your player profile. This profile saves all your progress, achievements, and custom creations throughout your wrestling journey. Get ready to step into the ring. Now, let's cover the fundamental controls you will need. The left stick moves your wrestler around the ring, while the right stick adjusts your camera view. To initiate a grapple, press the button. For strikes, use the B button, and for submissions, press X. Remember to use Y for crucial reversals, and LB or RB for Irish whips to send opponents into the ropes. Mastering these basics is your first step to victory. Once you have the basics down, it is time to explore advanced techniques and game modes. Combine various button presses to unleash devastating signature moves and match-ending finishers. Dive into my GM mode, where you can manage a wrestling brand, sign talent, and book exciting shows. Or immerse yourself in universe mode, crafting your own compelling WWE storylines and rivalries. There are many ways to enjoy the game beyond standard matches. To truly dominate the ring, here are some essential tips. Consistent practice of reversals is key to countering your opponent's attacks and turning the tide of a match. Take time to learn the unique movesets of your favorite characters. Understanding their strengths will give you a strategic edge. Finally, do not hesitate to adjust the difficulty settings to find the perfect challenge level for your skills. Have fun and become a WWE legend.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.